Mr. Top 5 welcomes you to the top 5 foods for pregnancy. Enjoy! 5. Sweet potatoes. Your baby needs vitamin A to help their tissues grow and develop, and sweet potatoes are a top source. A medium spud serves up around 300% of the vitamin A you need in a day, along with healthy doses of vitamin C and potassium. They're a good source of fiber too, which in addition to helping fight constipation, can help you stay fuller longer and keep that shaky, low blood sugar feeling at bay. Number 4. Salmon. Seafood is an important source of nutrients for pregnant women, especially fatty fish. Options like salmon are a top source of the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, which are critical building blocks for your baby's brain and eyes. Concerned about mercury? Experts agree. The benefits of eating fish outweigh the risks during pregnancy. The key is sticking with low mercury options. Salmon fits the bill, and keeping your intake to 8 to 12 ounces per week. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Not only is it packed with protein, you'll get around 8 grams per 6-ounce container. Greek yogurt is also loaded with calcium. That's important, since your baby needs the minerals to support their growing bones and teeth. And your body will take calcium from your own bones if you don't supply enough from your diet. Another perk? Yogurts made with live active cultures are a good source of probiotics, which are tied to a reduced risk of preeclampsia, gestational diabetes, vaginal infections, and allergies. Just be sure to pick the plain stuff over flavored varieties, which tend to be high in added sugars. Number 2. Eggs. They're incredible for all kinds of reasons, and they're an especially good choice when you're pregnant. A single large egg packs 6 grams of high-quality protein, which promotes healthy fetal growth and helps boost your blood supply, but that's not all. Eggs are also a top source of choline, a mineral that can help support your baby's brain development. You'll get 147 milligrams, around a quarter of what you need in a day, from just one large egg. Number 1. Lean red meat. You need way more iron these days than you did before you were pregnant, around 27 milligrams per day, and red meat options like lean beef and pork are some of the best ways to get it. The mineral keeps you energized by helping enough oxygen reach cells throughout your body. What's more, getting enough can help reduce the chance of premature delivery and low birth weight. We hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your future baby or babies.